Guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm looking pretty crusty during the quarantine. Like, I haven't gotten a haircut at least 2 or 3 months. I don't know, this is looking really, really bad. Anyways, besides from all the quarantine stuff, I'm gonna be telling you guys an awesome way to actually get affiliates and influencers to post your products consistently across their Instagram feeds. Absolutely free, just commission based. Here we go. What is up, guys? Welcome back to eCommerce Street, the best channel in the world for e-commerce content, for anyone doing e-commerce, dropshipping, Amazon FBA, you name it, we're that channel. We're dropping massive value on the daily. So we came stumbling across this tool that actually allowed us to get affiliates to repost our products onto their pages. Now, what is this app called, you may ask? Social Snowball. I'm gonna put it up right here. And basically what Social Snowball allows you to do is that every time a person orders a product off your store, they're able to get their unique discount code and post it anywhere they want. And every time they use your code, they get a commission from it. So you get a sale for 50 bucks. They get a separate commission fee for, I believe it's like 10 or 15%. And they get that every single time someone uses their code. Now, the beauty about this is that you don't have to pay anybody or any influencers to get the code. This also works for just any person that buys from your site. So let's say, you're getting tons of traffic to your store, you're getting tons of purchases. And now what this app does is that after they purchase, when they go to their thank you page, they're gonna see a thing right at the top saying, if you wanna promote our products and make money, here's how you can do it. And it generates them a unique discount code. So literally every time someone orders something off your store, they're gonna have a unique discount code that they can use, and they can literally place it anywhere they want, getting you as much reach as possible, literally absolutely for free. Like, it's crazy, because the difference with this and paying somebody to do influencer marketing, like, yes, like we do this with our influencers too, where we tell them, use this code and you'll get basically a commission off every sale that you make. Not only is that going to motivate someone more, but it's also going to, post consistently, right? I mean, let's say the first time someone actually uses their code, they actually generate a pretty significant amount of revenue. If they do that, then they're going to continue to post without even asking you, you know what I mean? Like, they're going to want the money. If they're really hungry for it, they're going to post. So the beauty about it is that they can post as many times as they want using your link. They can get as much commission possible, and literally anybody that checks out from your store can get the exact same code and same treatment. So we've actually used it ourselves recently. Like, we literally just got the app and we've already seen results with it. It's actually really crazy. And we've had people post stuff on their story without us even knowing, and we're getting revenue from it. We're getting sales from it. Here's a quick screenshot up here, basically just showing all of the revenue that we generated so far within the last couple of weeks using Social Snowball. And we actually have a link right in the description. Now, this is an affiliate link. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, okay? We're very honest and very transparent on this channel. So it is an affiliate link. We do get a little bit of a kickback from this, but I'll be honest with you too, like, we were gonna make a video about this anyways, and it just so happens that one of the founders of the company reached out to us a couple days prior to us filming this video, and it just happened that they gave us affiliate links, so we might as well use it. But we're not too focused on the affiliate anyways. Like, if you really don't want to support us, like, you can go into the Google search and search it up yourself. But if you do want to support the boys at the bottom for future videos, and for, eventually when we start doing merch drops, all that kind of stuff, then that'll definitely help us. So we appreciate that. Another quick thing I wanted to mention to you guys is that you can actually adjust the amount of commission that someone can get for using this link. So, let's say someone's actually generating a decent amount of volume. You can adjust the commission amounts, and you can also adjust the discounts as well. So if someone has a 20% off discount code and you feel like you're actually losing a lot more revenue from that, you can literally just set to like 10%, 15%, whatever your liking is, and you can eventually save that way. So that pretty much wraps up for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This one was a little bit more quick. Nothing crazy, but it is an awesome app for you guys to use. It completely integrates with Shopify. All you gotta do is click the link in our description. It will be redirected to the Shopify app store, and you can download it right from there. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on eCommerce Street Instagram, or send us a comment here. We'll be more than happy to answer that for you. Please give this video a like and a subscribe. This helps us out a lot as a young and growing YouTube channel. We are very small creators at the moment. We plan to be a lot bigger in the future, but for now, this helps us quite a bit, and we appreciate anything we can get. So thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.